Hey, what's up YouTube? This knife was sent to me for testing and review. It's got a flipper as your opener. This is the Gobi. Very attractive. Note the accent on the pivot, which matches that spacer there. Pocket clip. Yeah, that is some good deployment. Now the blade is about 3.3 inches by my measure. It's a trailing tip. Look at the sweep on that. Look at the belly that this gives you. This has a light stone wash. The steel is AR-RPM9. Basically that's a powdered metallurgy technology. On a microscopic level, this does not have any weak points. It's a special technique to basically make stronger, better steels. Initial sharpness demonstration. Nice, this has excellent initial sharpness. And while we are here, let's get an official weight on this knife. 98.5 grams. And how many ounces? 3.48 ounces. Here is a comparison with the feldspar knife from this same brand that I've already reviewed. I gotta say, I'm a sucker for those natural or G10 jade handle scales. Definitely, those look awesome. Okay, YouTube, I don't know if you can hear the raindrops out there, but it has definitely started raining, so I'm going to cut a few things with this knife. At the review table, we've got some seatbelt-like material here. I think I'm just going to try to push this directly through. We'll see how that goes. Whoa. Okay. That definitely went through. Let's try one more time. Hold on. Okay, keep in mind, I'm not even drawing it across. It's just sharp enough that it can go through. Alright, so there you go. Got a piece of a box here. Okay. Does well on that. Last thing, so I hope you're all doing well these days. Wow, this is a sharp knife, definitely. Yeah, this is making short work of that. And yes, I will have to clean up these shavings, but small price to pay for giving you another review. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well these days. This brand has some good stuff, and that's budget friendly, I have to say. That's they've impressed me. Okay, well, I mean, I could smooth this out a little, but you see, we made another pointy crayon of wood in a short amount of time. You know, it's getting hard to review these knives because there's nothing wrong with them. Deployment is first rate. The edge came very sharp. The lockup is solid. There's no play in any direction. It's a handy blade shape. Slicing machine, attractive stone wash. It's just an attractive knife in general. I'm a sucker for those natural G10 scales. Look at that. And then the accent there and how they made it match that spacer. They didn't have to do that. You know, those little touches kind of do it for me. So yeah, I'd say it's an attractive knife. It comes in a variety of colors as well. Just check the link for your options. But I mean, for all of those reasons, oh, and for the price, I mean, this is a bargain.